You must know that at no point in your life is something impossible. At no point. You could be in a place, you could be born and brought up in a place like Bihar, like I have done, and be a big enough star to come and talk to people in Coimbatore as a star. Like they say, if you're prepared but you don't get the opportunity, it's useless. If you have the opportunity, you're not prepared, it's not useless. But they have to meet at a point, right? And that meeting happens because you will it to happen, because you want it so badly to happen. I could be walking down any street, I could be anybody, but why did that one director come and meet me and wanted me to act in that television serial? If you look at every next step in my career, I have never prepared for it. I have never imagined that this could happen. I never imagined that Mani Ratnam will call me. How would Mani Ratnam know about a guy who's doing a television series in Bombay without even seeing one episode of mine? You have to be noticed in that very first instant, and for two reasons. One is that either you should know what is a good profession for you. If you're not able to make an impression, then quickly change it. This is not the be-all and end-all. The engineering or whichever subject that you choose to major in when you're in college does not literally have to be your lifelong profession. But give it a shot. At least know if that is a profession that you really want to pursue and excel in, because that's the only way you'll survive, is if you excel in it. If you excel in it to such an extent that you think, sleep, dream, eat, breathe that particular job. And I do that with acting. And I'm telling you, I do not know what else. I would have been a really bad soldier because I think I'm a really good actor. I'm involved completely, 100% of the time. I'm doing research. If I have free time, I'm going to YouTube and finding out what is a different method of acting. I just do that with a passion. If you're not doing that for your profession, know that you're in a secondary profession. Know that you're doing something which the Lord has not made you to achieve glory in. People might think, I don't require that. I'm never going to work on those things. I'm doing my father's business. But you never know. That is the preparation that you make to make that quantum leap in your careers. These are basic things. You have to know that. You have to know how to dress correctly. You have to know if you have body odor. You have to know whether you're spitting on people's face and how to stop it when you're speaking. If you don't do these things, ladies and gentlemen, you will be in an average life, doing an average job and living an average life. Having said that, I'm not saying that is wrong. That could be your calling. My father is very happy living that sort of a life because they don't live in extremes. But if you have a passion and if you have a desire to be exceptional, if you have a desire to be seen apart from the crowd, then this is the bare minimum thing you should do.